Hey Divine One, big deep breath with me in through your nose and out through your mouth. I have a special reading for you today. I picked 3 cards 1, 2, and 3. And I want you to tune in with yourself right now. So one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly, big deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And ask yourself the question, which card does my inner child need to hear? Card number 1, card number 2, or card number 3? Take a moment to have the number come to you. And when you have it, listen. I'm going to give you a message for each card individually. So big deep breath and let's see what your inner child has to say. You chose card number 1. You got Zeke, friendship, upright. And what he is saying is that you are never too much for the right people. You might have lived your life feeling too much, and you might have also had to isolate or push people away because they couldn't handle your too much with. And Zeke's saying you don't have to do that. You can love people from afar while still honoring your own divinity, magic, and all of the energy you possess. And as you do this, as you keep those firm boundaries and you stand in integrity with who you are, the right people will come. So breathe deep and know it's happening. You chose card number 2. You got Ulf Anchor reversed, and he's here because not only is it important to anchor into yourself and your own truth, but Ulf is here in reversed saying that you might be taking life way too seriously right now. Like you might be bearing down on this end result, and in doing so, that you're not allowing Source to come in and create miracles for you. So it's really important for you to step back, breathe, and know that all of the things will happen for you in divine timing as you believe and allow it. And finally, if you picked card number 3, you got Colby, confusion. And what Colby's here to say is you might have in the past suffered from some kind of emotional abuse or somebody who was gaslighting you, and it left you not able to trust yourself or your own divine intuition. And your inner child has such a powerful intuition, and they want to express it to you. And so this is your call to start doing that deep inner work, to begin to trust yourself, to begin to notice your bodies, whether it's responding from trauma or your intuition, and whether you can really trust yourself. This is best done with an expert, with somebody who does inner child work, trauma work, body work, all of the things that allow you to find that equilibrium and really begin to trust the truth of your own soul. Whatever card you guys picked, I hope that it gave you the message that you needed. Make sure to follow through with your inner child, and as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.